See this? We are supposed to solve these three equations. Now, writing them in the form of Ax equal to b is trivial. You do that. After that, you can write augmented matrix AB. So A is here and B is here. I am going to write it here. And then the next step is straightforward. Convert it into echelon form. So how can we do that? Using the first element here, first you try to make these two elements as zeros. For that reason, I am multiplying the first row with 2 and subtracting it from second row and third row respectively. Then I am able to get zeros here. And next step is using this element, I want to make all the elements below it to be 0, but then using 3 it doesn't look good, and also it takes a lot of computations. So for that reason I will exchange these two rows and then I will continue. So I exchange these two here and I got this, and using this I will make this one as 0. So for that reason I multiplied R2 with 3 and added to R3. So I got 0 here. Now finally this is in echelon form. Okay. Now if you observe this one, the number of non-zero rows in A is equal to 3 and the number of non-zero rows in AB is also equal to 3. Therefore, rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to number of non-zero rows in each of them in the echelon form, which is nothing but 3. So we found out that the ranks are equal. Then what can we say? They are consistent, isn't it? So this implies that they are consistent. Consistent means so at least one solution exists. Now how many solutions exist? Will there be one solution or infinite number of solutions? That is the case. Now for that reason you have to find out number of unknowns. Here number of unknowns equal to 3. Therefore n equal to r here in this case, which means the rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to number of unknowns. So in this case you will have a unique solution. Now how to find out that unique solution? Take the transformed equations, this one, and you try to solve them. So I am just writing them in form of equations. First column is x, second column is y, third column is z. Then what is it? X plus y plus z equal to 9, and then minus y minus 3 equal to minus 3z equal to minus 18, minus 4z equal to minus 20. So this is what I got. From this you can see that z equal to 5, right, and y equal to 3 and x equal to 1. So this is the unique solution that we have for this one. So this example falls under the category in which rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to number of unknowns. What does it mean? This means that there will be a unique solution. It is consistent and unique solution, and this is the solution for this example. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have, you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.